Hey guys, it's Vintrix, and in this video I will be showcasing you an overpowered script on Build a Boat for a Treasure. This script has tons of features, and it includes some of the good features like auto build, copy build, auto farm gold, and so much more awesome features in this script. Let's test the auto build. Firstly, we need to copy someone's build by getting their username and saving the build. Don't forget to name the build. So now that we have saved the build, we can now auto build the saved file, or you can preview the build if you want to see the full build. This is the previewed build file I saved from the other player's build also. By the way, this is a 100% accurate build, as you can see. Now I have auto-build the build file, but the build is not yet complete because of the insufficient blocks. You can check the missing blocks by going to block lister, and there you will see the required blocks you need to buy or get, and after that you just simply auto-build the build file again, and you get the complete build. This script works really well and it is reliable, so I recommend using this script. This script also has an image loader. You just put a random image URL and it auto-builds the image and some other features related to auto-build. Now let's try the AUTOFARM gold feature. It has tons of options to use, and you can adjust the speed, the time of the AUTOFARM, and there is also a gold tracker on how much gold you get. This AUTOFARM features is really great to use. You could also AUTOFARM tween as well. I guess that's all. I will link the script in the description down below, so make sure to subscribe, turn on notification bell, don't forget to like the video, credits to the owner, and see you in the next one.